Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and launching enrollment. Sign into Google with the account you want paid to, then start an Adsense application for your verified domain. Once done, add your site in Adsense and copy the provided site verification code. If you use a CMS, paste it into the header template. If you use FTP, upload an HTML snippet. Make sure privacy and contact pages exist, because Adsense checks basic site compliance before approval. Next, implement Adsense code and layouts. In the dashboard, pick Auto Ads for automatic placements or create manual ad units for precise control. Insert the global site tag into your site's head section so all ad calls function. Then drop individual ad unit snippets into templates or widget areas where you want ads to render. If you prefer centralized management, add the tag to Google Tag Manager and publish a container. Make sure to preview on mobile and desktop to check responsive behavior and spacing. Finish by verifying and testing the implementation. After placing tags, wait for Adsense verification and allow up to 48 hours for ads to populate. During that time, monitor the Adsense account for alerts. If you see no ads, inspect the browser console for blocked scripts or mixed content. Confirm robots. TXT isn't blocking ad scripts, and ensure your ad units are enabled. One key troubleshooting tip: remove caching or use an incognito window to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.